If you want to start making money online in 2026, but don't want to deal with shipping, inventory, or any of that complicated stuff, selling digital products is the easiest way to start. I am about to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create, upload, and sell your first digital product, even if you've never done this before. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to sell, how to create it, and where to list it so you can start making sales this week. Let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity, and I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have, so you can create more freedom in your life. All right, let me show you the complete process. The first step is choosing what type of digital products you are going to sell. Here are the top selling digital products in 2026. Number one is printable planners and templates. The second one is Canva templates. People love buying ready-made designs that they can customize. The third one is ebooks and guides. Keep them 10 to 20 pages long and focus on solving one specific problem. The fourth one is checklists and worksheets. These literally take 10 to 15 minutes to create, and you can sell them for $5 through $15 each. The fifth one is stock photos or graphics. If you have a phone with a decent camera or design skills, stock photos and graphics sell consistently. So first, you need to pick one product type and focus just on that one. Don't try to do everything at once. Now let me show you how to exactly create your digital product. We are going to use Canva because it's free, it's beginner friendly, and has templates for everything. So here's the exact process. First, we're gonna go to canva.com, sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. The next step is we are going to search for templates. You are going to type in what you want to create. For example, budget planner, Instagram templates, daily planners, and meal prep template. Canva will show you tons of templates. Step 3 is pick a template and customize it. Click on the template you like, change the color, font, and text to make it your own. Add your branding or style so it stand out. Step 4, we're gonna make it valuable. Don't just slap your name on the template and say you are done. You are going to add helpful sections, tips, or features that make it actually useful for your customers. Step 5, now we are ready to download your product. Once you are done, you're going to click on share, download, and choose PDF print. This gives you a high quality file that customers can print or use digitally. Save it to your computer, and now you are done. You just created your first digital product. Before we keep going, if this video is helping you so far, do me a quick favor and hit the like button and subscribe. I post videos like this every week, showing you real ways to make money online. And watching the video all the way through really helps YouTube show this to more people who needs it. All right, let's keep going. Now that you have your product, you need to choose where to sell it. Here are the best platforms for beginners. The first platform is Etsy. This is the easiest place to start. Etsy already have millions of buyers looking for digital products. You just upload your product, write a description, and start selling. That's all. Now, Etsy do take a small fee per sale, but it is worth it because they bring you traffic. The second platform is Stan Store. Stan is perfect if you want an all-in-one tool without having to build a website. It's super fast to set up. It literally takes minutes. And you will get one link that houses all your digital products. They have a 14-day free trial, so you can test it out and see if you like it before committing. I will leave the link for Stan in the description below if you want to check it out. Platform 3 is Shopify. If you want full control over your store and branding, Shopify is the way to go. Right now, they are offering $1 per month for 3 months, which is in the same deal to get started. Once you are all set up, you can sell unlimited digital products and customize everything. I will also leave the link to Shopify in the description below if you want to go that route. The fourth platform is Gumroad. Gumroad is simple and straightforward. You will upload your product, set a price, and share your link. No monthly fees. They just take a small percentage when you make a sale. Here is how you are going to get sales. Tip 1 is use Pinterest. Pinterest is huge for driving traffic to Etsy. Create pins with images of your product and link them to your Etsy listing. Use keywords in your pin descriptions. Tip 2 is post on Instagram. Share your products on Instagram stories and reels. And add your Etsy listing in your bio. Or if you decide to use Stan, you can add your Stan link to your bio. Tip 3 is join Facebook groups. Find Facebook groups related to your niche. You will go in there and share helpful tips and occasionally mention your product when it's relevant. Tip 4 is optimize your Etsy listing for SEO. SEO just stands for search engine optimization. This is how you will be discovered by SEO. So it's very important that you use keywords in your titles, description, and tags, so people can find your product when they search on Etsy. Tip 5 is create more products. The more products you have, the more chances you have to make sales. Quick side note before we wrap this up. If you like this process and don't want to start completely from scratch, I have something for you. I offer done-for-you digital products in different niches. Things like planners, trackers, and ready-to-sell digital products. They are all already designed. All you have to do is customize them, change the color background, change the font if you want to. You are ready to upload them and sell right away. So you can skip all of that process if you want to. This just speeds up the process a lot if you do not want to design it yourself. Or if you want something you can start selling immediately. This is totally optional, but if you want to check those out, I will leave the link in the description. All right, so that's the full process of selling digital products in 2026. Pick your prototype, which will be a niche, create it in Canva, upload it to Etsy or Stan Store, whichever one you choose, and start marketing it. This works, but how fast you see results depends on how consistently you create and market. In that video, I show you how to use AI to build income systems that don't require showing your face, creating products from scratch, or doing any daily work. Click that video and I'll meet you there.